Welcome back, students. Today, we're going to learn how to write the alphabet, both in capital and small letters. But before we begin, make sure you have your crayons, markers, or pencils ready, as we're going to have some hands-on fun. Let's start with the letter C. It looks like this in capital, a big C. And in small letter, it's a little c. To write the capital letter C, follow 3 simple steps. 1. Start at the top of the paper, just below the first line. 2. Curve downward and to left first, then right, creating a large, round, backward C shape. 3. Complete the curve until it aligns the starting point at third line. 4. Lift the pencil. To write the small letter C. 1. Start at the top of the second line. 2. Curve your pencil downward and to left first, then right in a smooth, half-circle shape, without lifting it. 3. Complete the curve until it aligns the starting point at third line. 4. Lift the pencil. Great! You have successfully learned how to write alphabet C, both in small and capital letters. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more exciting adventures in learning. Until next time, keep shining and happy learning!